Filet mignons in the pool? That's weird. Somebody should cook these.
Let me cook that. Let me cook that. You guys wanted to see how I did these a couple weeks ago? Well, that's what we're gonna do. I am literally in the pool cooking barbecue. I've already got the charcoal going. We're up to 500 degrees on the Weber. Now, I just picked up these Filet Mignons from Porter Road.
That's not how you say it.
Oh. Okay, so apparently these are Filet Mignons. Sorry. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna get these cut open, ready to go. Okay, so I realized that there is a lot of blood on this table, and that's because we've actually had them in the bags outside for a little bit while we were taking video, and so it has thawed and blood is everywhere. But if you can see this, the intermuscular fat and the way these grains are running, these are good looking filet mignons. So I'm gonna get these seasoned up. I'm using Bearded Butcher's black rub. Now I did, in my video that was a short, I used this rub and man, it came out good. And that was my first time using this. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna do it again, give that another shot. And I'm gonna do both with the same rub. I'm not gonna do anything to try and compare rubs this time. Just get this on here. Kind of pat that in. Get the sides a little bit. So the technique that I used was a 60-second time on the grill grates on both sides, and you flip them 90 degrees. That's how you get those marks. So as these sit here for just a couple minutes, we're gonna move over to our grill. Grill grates are on this side, and I've put my hot charcoals over in a basket on this side. So this is gonna be my cool zone. And I also have this press. I'm gonna start with my first one because I don't wanna try and manage two at one time. I'm just gonna focus on one. All right, so let's put a counter up there in the corner. We're gonna count down to 60. Okay, so we're at 60 seconds. Now the cool thing about this grill grate makes this, it fits right into these grooves. We can grab it just like this, pick it up. We're gonna spin it 90 degrees. $60 more seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. Take that off. Get in here and scoop that bad boy, flip them over. Oh yeah, check out those marks. 60 more seconds. Uh-huh.
5, 4.
Okay. Last rotation. About like so. Put the press back on. 60 more seconds.
Nothing in your bottom pockets?
No, okay. Check them out. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to move this one over into what we'll call the cool zone so it can continue to cook but not melt into magma. We'll take our second one, get it on the press, get it started, 60-second timer. How are we looking on time?
5.
All right, 60 seconds has passed. Time to flip this bad boy. Come on. Put the press back on. Countdown.
Yeah.
Well, I already did. It's
5.
time to flip. These are looking good. Press.
Five.
All right, one last rotation. Right about like that. All right, so that is the end of making the marks. Jesus, that's hot. Now, I'm going to move this over into the cool zone. I'm going to get an idea of where we stand temperature-wise before I close it up, just so I have a feeling of where we are already. So we're at 125 on that guy already, so that actually might be ready to go. This one's not quite there. We're running about 118, 115. So I'm going to close this up. I want to see about 124. Once we get to that point, I'll pull these off, let them rest for just a minute. That's about the time that they're going to be just right. Now, of course, you can take these off at any point in which you want your finished product to be. Rare, blue rare, which I didn't even know that was a term. That's crazy, blue rare. That's super rare. Medium, burn to a crisp, cardboard, whatever you like. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. We'll take some temp readings and see where we are. Okay, let's take a gander. We've gone down in temperature. Oh, I hit hold.
Did it hit or?
Yeah, there we go. All right. Okay, let's take a look. We're running 124, 125. Holy smokes. That one's a little bit ahead. It's time. Stuff from Grill Great. If you want to come up with these great looking products, look at that. And look at this. Oh, look at this. Boy, doesn't that look fantastic. Now, this is the great part. We'll give that about 2 minutes. 2 minutes of torture sitting here just staring at it, looking, waiting. And then we'll cut into it. Okay, so while we are in torture mode, the 2-minute countdown, if you want to pick these up, I'll have the link down in the description. These are from Porter Road. If you have not had anything from Porter Road, please take the time, go ahead and get these filet mignons. Stuff is fantastic. Wait till you see I cut into it, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's dig in. I'm going to cut this bad boy right down the middle. Well, as you can see, this one came out a little more well done. So if this is your speed, this is the one you'd probably take. Let's cut into this one. These are so juicy. Super tender also. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut myself some slices. And I think my videographer who helped me today, I'll go ahead and give him some too. So
Hooray.
We'll take a couple from each. As a matter of fact, I think we'll just sit out here in the pool and eat some filet mignon. Tender. Tender as all get out. Mmm. Can you hear that? That's the sound of taste. Take that one. Let me know what you think.
Hey man, that's pretty good.
You're just saying that because it's free. Oh.
Get some more of that right there.
No.
Oh.
All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and slice these up. And we're going to sit here and just eat this and call it a day. Hey, appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. I'm not sure what I'm going to have next, but I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Hey, if you do end up picking up one of these filet mignons from Porter Road, cook it just like I did. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think. This stuff is good. Well, that's all the attention span they got. This is all I'm focused on. I'm Todd with Lone Star Smoke. We'll see you next time.